Hello, I'm Brian Fishman, Philadelphia criminal defense attorney. I'm very often called and asked, am I eligible for an expungement of my criminal record? I want to get this case off of my record. I can't find a job and it's holding me back. Generally, I can answer this question by asking just a few simple questions of the caller. Number one, have you been convicted of the charges for which you seek to be expunged? If the answer to that question is yes, then unfortunately, in Pennsylvania, you are not eligible for expungement if you have been convicted. The only exception to that rule is if the conviction is for a summary offense and more than 5 years have passed since the time when you were convicted. Otherwise, you are not eligible for a expungement of any conviction, whether it be a felony or a misdemeanor. If, however, the answer is no, I was not convicted, then you may likely be eligible for an expungement. If your case was dismissed by the court or withdrawn by the prosecution, then you would be eligible for an expungement. If you went to trial in front of a judge or a jury and you were found not guilty, then yes, you would be eligible for an expungement. An expungement simply is the clearing of your record or deleting of any evidence from the public record showing proof of the arrest. And different district attorney's offices and different counties in Pennsylvania have different procedures to go about doing this. However, if you are eligible for an expungement, there is certain paperwork that needs to be filed with the court, a hearing will be scheduled, and most likely, before you even get to court, the district attorney will inform your attorney whether or not they agree to the expungement or whether they oppose it and they want to have argument. In one situation, where you have ARD, for example, which I discussed in another video, and there's a link below to that video. If you complete the ARD program, generally most district attorney's offices, if not all in Pennsylvania, will not object to the expungement of your case because it will have been withdrawn by their office after you successfully completed the ARD program. I've also provided in the links below 2 articles on my website in which I talk in more detail about expungement law. If you or a loved one has been arrested or has had charges filed against you that have been withdrawn, have been dismissed, or you were found not guilty of in Philadelphia, Montgomery, Delaware, Bucks, or Chester counties, I invite you to visit my website and contact me to see whether or not you are eligible for an expungement. Thanks. See you next time.